single day.
Say hi, Andy. I'm recording you. I got you.
Ocean City cops are not people.
Yes, they are. You know what's really criminal?
What's that?
Those knee-high socks.
I know, but that's what the brown shirts wore.
January 23rd, 2022, 10 hours, 30 minutes, 5 seconds.
Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, Operator 24 on a recorded line. How may I help you?
Hi. Yes, I am down at the Charlotte Harbor where the beach complex is. We have a morning AA meeting, and there's a gentleman here causing a major disruption, kind of aggravating people that are attending.
Are you at 4500 Harbor Boulevard?
I'm sorry, I'm not sure if that's the actual address. It's where the
Port Charlotte Beach Complex?
Yes, sir. Over by the pavilion.
And what's the phone number you're calling me from?
941-740-2686.
Okay, I have 941-740-2686.
Yes, sir.
All right, your last name?
Last name is Bora. I'm just here as a member of Alcoholics Anonymous, so,
Okay.
and I was
What's your
asked to
first
step
name?
away. Kelly.
And is he black, white, or Hispanic?
Honestly, sir, I believe he's a mix between black and Hispanic.
And what's he wearing?
He's currently in a, give me one moment, I'm quietly walking. He's in a dark hoodie, sunglasses. If we have kids here, he just needs to be escorted off the property. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, I'm with you. I'm just typing what you're
Okay, I'm sorry.
Now, he's causing a disturbance. Has he been threatening anyone?
Yeah, he's apparently has a issue with another gentleman here. He's definitely disrupting our meeting, screaming, yelling, accusing people of plotting against him. I'm not sure what that's about. Again, I'm an anonymous member of this fellowship, but if we could just have maybe a unit come down and escort him away from them.
I have to call in for dispatch. Now, does it look like he's been drinking or doing any drugs today?
I'm not sure why he's popping off like he is. I don't want to say maybe he's been drinking. I can't tell that he's on a substance or anything like that. I don't know if it's just he's upset or crazy.
Have you seen any weapons, or were there any mention of any weapons?
No, sir, no weapons, just a lot of shouting.
Do you mind staying on the line with me so I can kind of hear what's going on until the deputy gets there?
No, I'm just not going to speak, okay?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Now, if anything happens that you think, that I can't see that I should know, if he touches anybody or anything like that.
Good. I'd rather do it loudly and your personal business not be out there. Your personal business not be out there. Be posted on YouTube.
What if we want to? I don't care.
Okay, should he at least ask you?
I don't care if my shit's on.
Okay, you don't care, but do you care? Do you care? Do you care? Your reality, you don't care. At least you with your own philosophy. What about my reality? What about their reality?
Y'all need to remember you can't argue with a fool and drunk.
I'm just keeping the phone down, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine. At least I know while I was there, David's business wasn't out there. Her business wasn't out there. Her business wasn't out there. I'll be the bad guy.
Wow.
What about everybody? Does I have to ask? Why did James say just that 2 seconds?
The newcomer left? Yeah, the newcomer left, by the way, Sterling.
That's
Thank
great.
you.
That's good. That's good. The newcomer's business doesn't need to be out there. All what he needed. All what he needed. Y'all are begging for this shit that James was pushing up the y'all crazy. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't know if I'm supposed to keep checking in with you or.
No, it's okay. Just so I can hear what's going on there. tell if it escalates or anything. I don't want you to do anything you feel puts you in any kind of danger.
Recording everything. In case anything happens. In case anything happens. That's why you report. Right. Well, I respect tradition. Nice precautions, I'll leave. Please, sir. Please, sir. It's always good. My family believes in me. Not like that fuck boy.
He seems to be leaving on his own.
Now, do you know if he came in a vehicle or if he just walked?
I'm trying to politely or quietly watch him leave.
Yeah, as much as you can keep yourself, as you can see,
hidden,
keep yourself safe. Yeah, I don't want you to do anything.
No, I understand.
We have a deputy that's on Harbor Boulevard, so they're getting closer to you here.
Okay, he's currently on foot, and he's walking out of the park. I don't see him go into a vehicle at this time. It looks like he's on foot. He's in jeans and a black hoodie. The hoodie is up, black sneakers.
Now, are people still engaged with him, or is everybody kind of staying behind?
Everybody's kind of just leaving it alone. They took a vote and asked him to leave, kind of thing, and he, I don't know, he just removed himself finally after all of that nonsense.
Okay. Now, where did he go when he left? He was walking.
I did just hear a vehicle start up. Give me just a moment. I'm trying to. I don't really know what kind of vehicle he's in. I can't see. 7. It's okay. Okay. I did just see like a black truck leave, maybe a Dodge. I don't know if he's in that. It's bluish black. It looks like it has like some kind of small wrap on the side of it, like a gray wrap. Okay. But as far as I can tell, he's left the property.
All right, well, we're going to have the deputy come and kind of check out the area. He may just kind of walk through and see that the guys come back. If anything changes or escalates or the man comes back, give us a call right back.
Okay, I will do so.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, Operator 24 on a recorded line. How may I help you?
Yes, my name is Andrew Sheets, and my stalker, Sterling Alavache, just blew up the AA meeting on the beach in Port Charlotte. They kicked us both out because it was so chaotic. I'm going home right now to get the video. How does this work, man? You can have a cop call me later. Or what's?
You know what? We had a call for that. Let me find the original call. And yeah, I can reopen that call and have them make a phone call to you.
All right, yeah. Have him call me later. I got it all on video. You know, it's a public meeting. I don't like freaking record. I've been going to the AA meeting for 15 years, but if he's there, he assaulted and battered me at PUNTA GORDA. So I mean, if he's there, I'm recording, man. Period. And sure enough, he flipped out again. Blew the meeting up. First time ever in all my years of going to AA.
I took the call. I could hear him ranting and raving in the background. I don't know if they had an opportunity to speak with him or not. I think he left.
I was already gone by the time the cops got there. He might have been there when they got there. But yeah, it was so bad. First time in 15 years of going to AA and going to that beach meeting. He was so loud, he blew it up. Half the people left, including a newcomer. So there could be somebody out there getting drunk because of that fucking idiot.
All right, sir, what's the phone number we can make contact with you?
All right, 941-916-2259. All
right. And what is that gentleman's name?
Sterling Alavache. I believe it's spelled A-L-A-V-A-C-H-E. He's got a record in the court system.
Okay.
And he's a schizophrenic, which is even more scary, a documented schizophrenic.
All right, when that phone call comes from the deputy, it may come from a blocked, restricted, unknown, or private number, something like that. That'll be a deputy call, and go ahead and take that call.
All right.
All right, thank you.
All right, thanks. All right, bye.
Get the fuck out of here! I've already reported you once. I'll report you again, you fucking psycho.
Harassing people again?
This is called free speech.
Harassing people again?
Get the fuck away from me, psycho.
Harassing people again?
Get the fuck away from me, psycho.
Why don't you go somewhere?
Why the fuck don't you quit harassing me, psycho?
Why don't you just go somewhere?
Why the fuck?
Why you always bothering people?
Dude!
Why
don't fucking touch my shit!
I didn't touch you.
Yes, you did!
You're a coward.
Get the fuck out of here!
You've always been.
Fuck you!
You're a coward.
Fuck
You're
off.
a coward.
You fucking...
You're a coward. You're a coward.
Fucking camera!
Don't touch me.
Give me my fucking
I don't
camera!
have your camera.
Give me my fucking camera! 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 God damn it! Give me my fucking camera! Give me my... God damn it! Dude, get... Oh my fucking God damn it! Dude, what the fuck? Call the cops! Holy shit! Call the cops! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Get the fuck out of here! I've already reported you once. I'll report you again, you fucking psycho.
Harassing people again?
This is called free speech.
People again?
Get the fuck away from me, psycho.
Harassing people again?
Get the fuck away from me, psycho.
Go somewhere.
Why the fuck don't you quit harassing me, psycho?
Why don't you just go somewhere?
Why the fuck don't you...
bothering people?
Dude! Don't fucking touch my shit!
I didn't touch you.
Yes, you did!
You're a coward.
Get the fuck out of here!
You've always been.
Fuck you!
You're a coward.
Fuck
You're
off!
a coward.
You fucking
You're
uncle!
a coward.
What? Give me my fucking camera!
Don't touch me.
Give me my fucking camera! Give me my fucking camera!
Don't touch me.
Give me my fucking camera!
Don't touch me.
Give me my fucking camera!
Do something.
Give me my fucking... God damn it! Give me my fucking camera! Give me my... God damn it! Dude, get... Give me my... God damn it, dude! What the fuck? Hold the cop! Hold the cop! God damn it! Holy shit! Hold the cop! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Fuck off and die! I'm filing a report right now! You motherfucker! Fuck you! Get the fuck out of here!